Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to log into your VRChat account. If you're ready to immerse yourself in the exciting world of virtual reality and connect with people from around the globe, you're in the right place. In this detailed tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple process of signing into your VRChat account, ensuring you can join the virtual adventures hassle-free. Let's dive into the world of VRChat login and start exploring together. Start by opening your browser and entering VRChat login into the Google search bar. Click on the first result with the title Login to access the login page directly, avoiding unnecessary pages. In the opened page, enter your username or registered email address in the first field. Then, move to the second field and enter your password. After that, click on the Login button to sign in. If you can't remember your password, don't worry. Click on the link that says Forgot Your Password and reset your password. Logging into your VRChat account is the gateway to a vibrant virtual world filled with endless adventures and connections. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily access your account and start exploring the immersive realms of VRChat. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting VR content. Here's to unforgettable experiences in the virtual universe of VRChat.